then I'm going to drill some holes along the top of the bin and along up here, around the rim, and around the base, and around the lower part. I'm going to put this bin into a larger bin. Last night I drilled the holes in the top, sides, and bottom of the black bin, and then I filled it with a mixture of manure and topsoil, and I'll probably add a little bit more dirt in there still. Then I put my top bin in my bottom bin, so I've got some room down here on the bottom, and I have a little bit of room on the sides, but I don't have a ton of ventilation. So I drilled a couple holes in my bottom bin just to ventilate the bottom a little bit more. The worms should be arriving in a couple days, and after they get acclimated to the dirt, I'll start giving them a few kitchen scraps.